My name is Prajit Sadevende. I am from Diguri, Nagpur. Basically, I am DJ operator and I have own DJ. From last 3 years, I have a hair fall problem. I am facing some problem when I am operating the DJ. Some people told me, you are looking not good. Your hair are very thick process. And then I start searching the hair transplant clinic. Every time I'm searching on Google hair transplant clinic, but I actually found the best result, New Roots Hair Clinic, and I read comments from Kolkata and Orissa clients. They said that I am very happy, very best results, etc. Many types of hospitals in India, but I choose the New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic because of the results. So, last year in May 2018, I decided to hair transplant, but 6 to 7 months I think on that. After in 2019, I decided hair transplant. Then I meet. They told me about the all procedure, and I follow same procedure. And after the 6 months of my hair transplant, I got best result, which I never thought. So now I am very happy, and whenever I am going to operate the DJ, I got my confidence when I operate the DJ in day by day. So I think I am very happy now.